Hello students, let's read this question. Find value of x in the following figures. We have two figures, figure A and figure B. So let's start the solution. Here we have in figure A, here we have assumed two more angles named as M and N. Now let's write down the equations for the triangle, that is 125 degree plus M should be 180 degree. So from here we can say that M will be 180 degree minus 125. So from here we get the value of M as 55 degree. That means we can say it is a linear pair. As it is a linear pair, so we can do this. Now another equation is 125 degree plus N is equals to 180 degree. Again we can write this as this is a linear pair. So from here we get the value of N as 180 degree minus 125 degree, which gives us value of N as again 55 degree. Now as we know that exterior angle of a triangle is equals to the sum of two opposite interior angles. So here opposite interior angles for exterior angle x is are M and N. So we can write by this convention, we can write x is equals to M plus N. That means x will be equals to 55 degree plus 55 degree. So from here we get the value of x as 110 degree. Now move on to the second part. Here we have to assume three interior angles as M, N and Y. Now let's jump on the solution. So we can write that two interior angles are right angles. That means they are of 90 degree. So again with the linear pair we can write that 70 degree plus M is equals to 180 degree. So from here we can find out the value of M. M is equals to 180 minus 70, which will give us the value of M as 110 degree. Now we can also write 60 degree plus N is equals to 180 degree. Again with the same idea of linear pair. So from this we can find out the value of N, which is equals to 180 degree minus 60 degree, which will give us the value of N as 120 degree. As the figure we have five sides, so it is a pentagon. So as we know that the sum of angles of a pentagon should be equals to 540 degree. So from this we can say that 90 degree plus 90 degree plus 110 degree plus 120 degree, that is n, and 110 degree, that is m, plus y should all be equals to 540 degree. So from here we can write that this is 410 degree plus y should be equals to 540 degree. So from here we can get the value of y as 540 minus 410, which will give us 130 degree. So we get the value of y. We can find out the value of x because y and x are linear pairs. So x plus y should be equals to 180 degree as they are linear pairs. So from here we can calculate the value of x, which is equals to 180 degree minus y. Now putting the value of y we get 180 degree minus y is 130 degree. So from here we get the value of x as 50 degree. So we have find out the value of x for figure A as 110 degree, and we have calculated the value of x for figure B, which comes out to be 50 degree. So hope you understand it well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.